on my way to the Bahamas, and I am super excited for this birthday surprise. And I can't wait. There's Big D. She surprised me with a trip to the Bahamas. I can't even believe it. I'm so excited about my trip.
She loves it.
Yes, best birthday present. I won't say ever, but pretty close. Okay. See you in the Bahamas.
There's always room for improvement.
Yes. Yes. Hey. Hey. Hey there, birthday girl. We only had a couple of days, so we did not have one moment to waste. So after that awesome greeting in the airport, we met our driver Noel on the curb, and he brought us to our hotel, the Holiday Inn, downtown Nassau, Bahamas. I had never stayed downtown Bahamas. In fact, I had never flown into the Bahamas and stayed there before. I had only ever come there on a cruise. So it was nice having a different vantage point this time and seeing the cruise ships pulling in and out of port from our balcony at the hotel. So after a quick change, we hit the streets, not a moment to waste, and our first stop was the fish fry.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Bahamas. This is a coronavirus shirt I'm giving the birthday lady today.
Yes, the coronavirus!
She said that she was fully immunized in the Bahamas. You got it. I did the spiked soda and grenadine.
Immunized, yes! And these are our new friends from France. This is Natacha and Papiette. Yes! Hey, baby. The next morning, after a quick breakfast, we hit the beach for some sun, fun, and R&R. And of course, the Bahamas did not disappoint. The water was warm. The day was a little bit overcast, but who cares when you're in paradise, honey? And we met plenty of new friends on the beach. After that, we headed downtown to do a little shopping near the cruise port.
Paula, I'm a retired teacher. I used to teach, and I learned from my mom when I was growing up.
The
whole market used to look like this. It's called the silver palm. We soak the material in the water for a few days, and it becomes soft and pliable to weave. And after it's woven, we would transform it into the bags, all of the bags and hats, and it's authentic. It's now a lost art. Most everybody don't do them because most of the young people don't want to sit down for 2 hours to do them.
Yeah,
That's
being
another
lazy.
problem. They don't want to do it.
This is truly a
No,
lost
this is
art.
not. It is lost. Only maybe one or two person you might find in the market that does it. And most of the seniors who are in here, some of their jobs were dispersed by Hurricane Dorian, and they asked for a job in here, so they don't even know how to do it.
They don't even know how to do it no more.
But I learned when I was growing up,
It's
so
a
I
good
didn't
thing.
mind
Did you
coming
pass it
out
to
of
your
the corporate.
children?
But my children doesn't need it because my baby is an aircraft engineer.
Oh,
He went to Michigan State University.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah. So he was on the Samaritan's Purse Committee, so I'm on that committee. So whatever you purchase that's local, you'll be giving back to my charity as well. So you can't go wrong. That's different. And that's a nice size.
And I like this. And this is a nice size. It's not too big. And it will look beautiful on my table.
There you go. And then when you're ready, you can wash it. You hang it up with the handle. I'll give you a discount. This is $35. I'll go $34. You like the last one? This will be the same price as that. It's just a different shape, but I like this better.
I like this one.
And that's the last one. I don't like that.
And I think I'll go for this one.
And I'll give $10 out of that for my charity. So it's American first.
Paula, thank you so much for sharing a bit of your
appreciate
story.
it. Well, that's why
My
I'm here,
sister,
because a
thank
lot
you
of people
about
ask,
telling me about the
and
craft
most of the people
and the
can.
arts.
Right.
And the
And like
craftsmanship that goes into
we
this.
transformed this bag, was made out of the same material.
Wow.
I make it. I have some already completed up there.
Yeah, I saw those.
And they're
A lot of
handmade.
people have those. They probably
Yes.
get them from the factory.
But the
though.
back, but this here, they can't. The bowls have to be handmade one at a time. Yeah. And I appreciate you guys coming.
Oh my
What state are you
God.
visiting from?
From New York.
Okay, but
And my name is Courtney.
My name is Paula.
That's my wife, Dee.
Oh, hi. Okay, then you stitch it down.
Oh, wow.
Now, when I was growing up and learning how to do this, I had to be poking my fingers a lot.
I bet you were.
And then down here, stitch it up and stitch it down. That's the French knot. There you go.
That is beautiful.
And I was almost finished with this when you came, and then you just clip it right off. And, it's gonna
And
be
now, is
like that.
this the same palm?
Yeah.
The colored one
No,
is
no,
just
no,
dyed,
this
or is that
No,
string?
this is called raffia. It's a synthetic.
raffia.
It's a
Oh,
synthetic
yes, I know
material.
raffia.
Yeah. Size of this.
Right.
It's the same size. That's what it's going to be like.
And then you go around with the raffia
Right, there you
to
go.
give it a trim.
I'll give you right. This is a different design. It's almost finished. It's not quite yet.
I wanna feel it in the morning and in the night. Yeah.
Just a little bit of cheese for the pork dinner.
Yeah, what's the size? Two sides, big man, big cheese, peas and rice. I want you to know we get peas and rice now. We get no rice and peas. So the last one, I said I was in your mind and your head, that's what you get.
I absolutely love this location. Steps from the beach, and my favorite part was watching the cruise ships pull in and out of port. Absolutely beautiful. Tonight is my birthday night, so it's time to turn up at the party. And we're heading over to the bay.
Big up some of the people right now. Great.
On our last night in town, we visited One Point Plaza, where we had a fantastic dinner at Margaritaville and found this cute little shop, Villa Hermea Art House and Gallery, with all of the artwork created by Dr. Sophia A. Roll. I will have her website information in my description box below. And she does create pieces which she ships around the world. So you can order her pieces wherever you might be. So you know I had to pick up a couple of pieces for my table. I just couldn't resist. My sister, thank you so much. Please tell me the name of your shop again.
The name of the shop is Villa Hermea Art House.
And they have some fabulous home decor art pieces. Thank you so much, my sister. And I will see you next time I'm in the Bahamas. share with you this quick haul. I picked up some masks for my mask collection. This beautiful little elephant mask I thought was so cute and such intricate detail work. I love my mask. And this beautiful lady right here, oh my gosh, she is gorgeous. Are you seeing her? How beautiful is she? Then these little starfish ones I picked up for my sister-in-law, and I really like the mirror detail and the colors of the mosaic inside, along with the one is brown and the other is black and white, and I hope she likes these. So that's what I got for Jadine. Next, if you remember my visit to the straw market, this is marked $35. She did give it to me for $25 final price. Handmade little straw basket. Absolutely beautiful. And if you remember my visit to the Villa Jamila Art House and Gallery, I picked up 2 beautiful sets of coasters. And this one, let me take one out so you can see it better. This beautiful purple and gold. Isn't that gorgeous? And they all have the cork back and then the Villa Jamila Art House. Simple. And I will make sure that I link her website in my description box below. And I also picked up this gorgeous red and white set. And with Valentine's Day coming up, I thought that would be beautiful. Then, yeah, I kind of went in on the earrings because I'm loving, honey, I am loving these wooden earrings. So I got these purple ones that say Queen, and this beautiful African woman right here. Nefertiti. Oh no, this is just a woman with an afro, a black woman with an afro. I like those in the light colored natural wood. And then in the darker wood, I have the Nefertiti's head, and that has a little bit of wood etching on her turban. Hope you're making that out okay. These beautiful leaves right here. And we were down by the cruise port, and they had, this is called Mystic Topaz, and I really liked it, not just because it was purple, but also because it was iridescent, and as you move you can kind of see the green, the blue, the purple, all of the colors. This set was $25 on the cruise ship special, and then we got a chain for me to wear the little pendant on, and the chain was $10. And then my beautiful friend Sherese, the manager at the Fish Fry restaurant, and I will also include their website information, also has a small business. So she gave me these beautiful oils as a birthday present, and I don't think you can make that out, but the fragrance is called Guilty by Gucci, and the other one is called Burberry Touch. So that is my haul from the Bahamas of souvenirs. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.